Hey guys, you ever seen that boarded up house filled with all the bushes? I've got an amazing opportunity in West Hempstead. Check it out. Welcome to West Hempstead. Short distance to the Long Island Railroad. This is a colossal house. It has 5 bedrooms, 2 baths, all the living space you could ask for, outer building and garage. Hey, I'm just running across the big backyard. Welcome to 240 Coventry Road North in West Hempstead. Let's see inside. Hey guys, I've never filmed a property that's a complete board up, so it is dark in here and there's no power. Lucky for you, I brought a flashlight. You've enjoyed the living space, the dinette, the kitchen, but there's so much more. We're only on the first floor. We've got 2 bedrooms and an office to go. So let's take a look. Welcome to the 2nd floor. Up here you'll find 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Enjoy the tour. Wow, what a nice view. You've got some outdoor space that comes right out of one of the bedrooms. What better than that? Hey, I'm glad you enjoyed the tour. Be sure to give us a call for your own personal tour and subscribe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing opportunities. I'll see you back in the neighborhood.